unlikely team. A short moral story. Milo the squirrel was the fastest in Pinewood Forest. He always played alone, thinking no one else could keep up. When the Great Forest Race was announced, Milo was sure he'd win on his own. But the rules were different this year. It was a team race. Each team had to include a bird, a reptile, and a mammal. Milo groaned. He was paired with Tilly the slow turtle and Bobo the forgetful bluebird. "This will never work," Milo muttered. During practice, Bobo forgot the path, and Tilly was slow. But Milo noticed something. Bobo could spot shortcuts from above, and Tilly never got tired. On race day, Bobo led from the sky, guiding the team through the best routes. Tilly's steady pace helped them conserve energy, and Milo sprinted where it counted most. To everyone's surprise, they crossed the finish line first. Milo beamed. "I couldn't have done it without you." Bobo smiled. "That's what teams are for." Moral: true strength comes from working together, not alone. Everyone has something valuable to offer. Thank you for watching.